Welcome to another Carpet Tiles 1 product video. Today we'll be looking at the Color Run plank. These planks are hard wearing and designed for those high traffic areas, so it's perfect for any space. The backing of these planks are PVC and fiberglass, meaning they keep their shape very well, which leads to easy installation. We are currently selling these for $29 per square meter, including GST, which is a phenomenal price for this caliber of carpet tile.
Thank you for watching the product video on this item. We film every new product that comes along, update of existing products and product specials. If you want to see more of these videos, please click here, which will take you directly to our YouTube channel. Otherwise, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Any questions, call us, email us.